Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Master Arichudi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. I am going to give you the predictions for September 2021 for all the 12 signs from Aries to Pisces in this video. Dear Aries sign, Aries ascendants, Ashwini Bharani, Kritikai first Padam constellation viewers. Your sign lord and 8th house lord Mars in Leo till September 5th and moves to Virgo on September 5th. You have to take care of your health. Must be careful in lending and borrowing. You must be careful in financial matters. But everything will change when Jupiter moves to Capricorn and aspects Mars after September 14th. Pending court cases will be finalized in your favor. 2nd and 7th house lord Venus in Libra ruling from September 5th. Economically, you will be elevated. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Marriage proposals will be successful. Avoid unnecessary heated arguments as Dragon Ragu is in the 2nd house Taurus. You may face dental and ophthalmological ailments. 3rd and 6th house Lord Mercury in the 6th house exalted and moves to 7th house Libra on September 22nd. Younger siblings' health has to be taken care of. Education side will be bright and you may get the subject you wish in the desired college. Love affairs will be successful after September 22nd when Mercury joins Venus in Libra. Women will flourish both in house and office. Artists will be honored and respected, but finance flow is not so favorable. 5th house Lord Sun in the 5th house Leo ruling in the first half of the month, and in the second half Sun moves to the 6th house Virgo. So first half will be favorable than the second half for politicians, but aspect of Jupiter on Sun is favorable. The second half also. Government contracts, though delayed, will be successful. There may be some health ailments because of 8th house Scorpio Dragon K. Involve yourself spiritually and religiously along with yoga and meditation to overcome the confusions and problems created by Dragon Ketu and Dragon Ragu. 9th and 12th house Lord Jupiter retrograded in Aquarius till September 14th and transits to Capricorn on September 14th. Business, trade and career will flourish. There will be marked improvements in father's health. Jupiter aspects over 2nd house Taurus, 4th house Cancer, 6th house Virgo. Aspect of Jupiter and Virgo, which is the 12th house of 7th house, will make comfortable and peaceful sleep. Sleep comfort will be good. Those who are waiting for the government job may have the chance of getting the same. Chances of purchasing house, land and vehicle are seen bright. There may be marked improvements in mother's health. Fund flow will be flawless without bounce. Family members will cooperate. Chances of clearing of old debts are seen. 10th and 11th house Lord Saturn in the 10th house Capricorn will make you develop your business, trade and career. There may be dull situation, but you may get the expected profit. Your working skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated by the superiors. Saturn aspects over 12th house Pisces, 4th house Cancer, 7th house Libra. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. There may be some hindrance in your luxury and comfort. Avoid third-party interference in spouse relationship. You may have to spend more on elder siblings. On the whole, family, spouse relationship, finance, education, parental health, love, marriage will be overall good. Month begins with 4th house Lord Moon in 3rd house Gemini. Worship of Lord Murugan will be beneficial. Moon moves to 8th house on September 12th evening and 13th and 14th. Dear Taurus sign, Taurus ascendants, Kritikai 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Rohini, Mrigashirisham 1st, 2nd Padam constellation viewers. Your sign and 6th house Lord Venus will be in Virgo in the beginning of the month and on September 5th transits to Libra in a ruling status. As your sign lord is ruling, it will be favorable. for you. Women will flourish in office and also at home. Artists will be honored and respected, though not financially. Chances for clearance of old debts is seen bright. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. Chances for getting government job also seen bright. Second and fifth house Lord Mercury is in Virgo in an exalted status. So fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. Your vacation will attract everyone. Children will flourish in education and also in extracurricular activities, and you may feel proud about them. Love affairs will be in a smooth manner. You will be strong enough to face anything. Fourth house Lord Sun in the fourth house Leo in the first half of the month, and in the second half moves to Virgo, fifth house. Government contracts will be finalized successfully. Politicians will flourish and they will be awarded with suitable posts in the party. There will be marked improvements in mother's health. Seventh and 12th house Lord Mars in fifth house along with Mercury and Sun aspected over by Jupiter. So spouse relationship will be intimate and with love and affection. Friends, business partners will cooperate. Seventh house Lord in fifth house Virgo aspected over by Jupiter will pave way for birth of babies for those who are expecting. There may be tiresome travels and expenditure over children and their education, marriage and other things. 8th and 11th house Lord Jupiter in the 10th house Aquarius in retrogression and transits to 9th house Capricorn. Pending court cases will be finalized in your favor. Elder siblings will cooperate. Litigations in the paternal properties will end and will be favorable on your side. After September 14th, Jupiter aspects over your sign Taurus, 3rd house Cancer, 5th house Virgo. Your skills will progress. Younger siblings will cooperate. All your efforts will be successful. You may feel proud about your children for they will be outstanding in education and other activities. You will be benefited by the aspect of Jupiter on Sun, Mars and Mercury in Virgo. 9th and 10th house Lord Saturn ruling in Capricorn, your 9th house. Placement of Saturn is the 12th house of 10th house. So, you have to travel more and spend more to achieve your targets in business, trade and career. As Jupiter is with Saturn in Capricorn, expected profit percentage will be more. Saturn aspects over 11th house Pisces, 3rd house Cancer, 6th house Libra. There may be delays in fulfilling all your long-lasting desires. There is no chance for unexpected profits. Try to avoid controversies between siblings. Be careful in your financial dealings. Avoid lending and borrowing. Don't stand as surety for anyone. Take care of your health. There may be some health issues because of Dragon Rahu in your sign, but Jupiter's aspects will shield you. Involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation to overcome the confusions, problems created by 7th house Scorpio Dragon Ketu. Month begins with 3rd house Lord Moon in 2nd house. Worship of Goddess Mahalakshmi with Perumal and Murugan will be favorable. Moon moves to 8th house on September 14th evening, 15th and 16th. Dear Gemini sign, Gemini ascendants, Mirgashisham 3rd, 4th Padam, Tiruvadirai, Punarpusam 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam constellation viewers. Your sign lord and 4th house lord Mercury will be exalted in Virgo till September 22nd and moves to Libra after that. So with the sign lord and his placement in the 4th house, Virgo will make you comfortable with luxuries. Education will be bright. Chances of purchase of house, land and vehicle are seen. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Love life will be good and comfortable. 3rd house Lord, Moon in 3rd house Leo in the first half of the month and transits to Virgo in the second half of the month. You will be courageous to face anything. All your efforts will be successful. It is a favorable month for politicians. They will be honored and respected everywhere. Government contracts will be successful. 5th and 12th house Lord, Venus will be debilitated in Virgo till September 5th. Thereafter, transits to Libra, your 5th house, in an exalted status. Children will flourish in education and you may feel proud about them on one hand. On the other hand, you have to be careful in their day-to-day affairs and friend circle, as 5th house Libra is aspected over by Saturn. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. Women will flourish in house and office. Time is auspicious for arranging marriages and childbirth also. Month is almost favorable for artists. 6th and 11th house Lord, Mars in 4th house aspected over by Jupiter, will fulfill all your long-lasting desires. Chances of expected percentage of profit is seen bright. You have to go for debts for purchase of house, land, and vehicles. Chances for heat disease are seen, but Jupiter aspects will shield you from diseases. 7th, 10th house Lord Jupiter in the 9th house Aquarius till September 13th and moves to Capricorn on September 14th. Period till September 13th will be good and favorable, and after that, when Jupiter joins Saturn in the 8th house Capricorn, there may be chances for hurdles and problems. Jupiter aspects over 12th house Taurus, 2nd house Cancer, and 4th house Virgo. There may be chances for tiresome travels and expenses over joyful occasions and celebration. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. Your occasion will be respected. You may get bank loans easily for purchase of house, land, and vehicles. As Sun, Mercury, Mars are aspected over by Jupiter, all your efforts will be successful. Education side will be bright. Childbirth is also seen. There may be dull situation in business, trade, and career, and you have to work very hard. 8th and 9th house Lord in 8th house Capricorn. Saturn may give some problems, but as he is friendly to your sign Lord, will be manageable. Saturn aspects over 10th house Gemini, 2nd house Cancer, 5th house Virgo. Your hard work may not be recognized in your workplace. To maintain family harmony, avoid third party interference. Children may behave differently. There may be some hindrance in your happiness. Other language, other religion, and abroad friends will help, as Dragon Rahu is in your 12th house. To overcome the confusions and problems created by 6th house Scorpio, Dragon Ketu, involve yourself religiously, spiritually, along with yoga and meditation. Worship of Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesha will be beneficial this month. Month begins with 2nd house Lord Moon in your sign Gemini itself. Moon moves to 8th house on September 16th evening, 17th and 18th. Cancer sign, Cancer ascendants, Punarpusam 4th Padam, Pusam, Ailium constellation viewers. Your sign Lord Moon is a daily moving planet. Month begins with your sign Lord in 12th house Gemini. 2nd house Lord Sun ruling in 2nd house Leo in the first half of the month and moves to 3rd house Virgo in the second half of the month. In the first half, fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious, but in the second half, Sun is aspected over by Jupiter. There won't be any problem. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to face anything. Younger siblings will cooperate. Month is favorable for politicians. 3rd and 12th house Lord Mercury exalted in Virgo in Moola Trikon shine. So higher education will be bright. Chances for getting more higher degrees are seen. But you cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. 4th and 11th house Lord Venus in the 4th house Libra in a ruling status from September 5th. So chances for renovating the old house and purchase of new house is seen. Women will progress in house and office, duly overcoming all the hurdles. Though there is ups and downs, artists will flourish. Marriages can be arranged along with Sun and Mercury, duly aspected over by Jupiter. So business, trade and career will flourish. You can progress with self-efforts, duly overcoming the hurdles. Children will flourish in education and other activities, and you may feel proud about them. 6th and 9th house Lord Jupiter in the 7th house Capricorn on September 14th. After ending the retrogression, chances for clearing old debts are seen. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. You may get the help and support from your father. Jupiter from Capricorn aspects over 11th house Taurus, your sign Cancer, 3rd house Virgo. Chances for fulfilling all your long-lasting desires are seen. You may get the unexpected percentage of profits this month. Your vocation will be respected. Education will flourish. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. 7th and 8th house Lord Saturn from Capricorn aspects over 9th house Pisces, your sign Cancer, 4th house Libra. There will be some shortcoming in spouse relation, though there will be intimacy and love and affection with them. Be cautious with friends and business partners, though they cooperate. There may be some litigation in parental properties. Do take care of mother's health, though there may be some improvement. Take due legal consultation before going for purchase of house and properties. There may be some hindrance in luxuries and comforts. You may be profited in many ways, as Dragon Rahu is in the 11th house Taurus. You may get the help and support from other language and other religion people and abroad friends. Chances of female babies are seen bright as Dragon Ketu is in the 5th house Scorpio. To overcome the confusions and problems created by Dragon Ketu, involve yourself spiritually, religiously, along with yoga and meditation. Worship of goddess Karmari Nagammal will be good for Cancerians. Moon moves to 8th house on September 18th evening, 19th and 20th. Dear Leo sign, Leo ascendants, Makam Puram Uttaram Faspadam, constellation viewers. Your sign lord sun ruling in your sign Leo in the first half of the month and moves to second house Virgo in the second half of the month with Mercury and Mars aspected over by Jupiter. Your skills will progress. Government contracts will be favorable. Chances of getting government jobs are seen bright. This month is very much favorable for politicians. They will be respected and honored everywhere. Second and 11th house Lord Mercury in Mula Trikonam sign exalted will strengthen the second house Virgo. So fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Chances for unexpected profits are seen. Elder siblings will cooperate. Your vocation will be respected. Education side will be bright. 3rd and 10th house Lord Venus will be in Virgo till September 5th and thereafter moves to Libra in a ruling status. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to face anything. Younger siblings will cooperate. Business, trade and career will flourish. As Dragon Ragu is in the 10th house Taurus, business, trade and career will progress and will be profitable. In the workplace, your skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated. Women will flourish in the house and office. This month is almost good for artists. You may have to incur expenditure over children's education and marriages and may have tiresome travels also. There may be some health issues for your mother as Dragon Ketu is in the 4th house Scorpio. To overcome the confusions and problems created by Dragon Ragu and Ketu, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. 4th and 9th house Lord Mars in 2nd house Leo along with Mercury and Sun aspected over by Jupiter will help you in purchasing house, land and vehicles. There won't be any hindrance for your luxuries and comforts. You may get the help and support from father's side. 5th and 8th house Lord Jupiter in the 7th house Aquarius till September 13th. And on September 14th, retrogression of Jupiter ends and placed in the 6th house Capricorn. Chance for clearing of old debts are seen. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. Jupiter aspects over 10th house Taurus, 12th house Cancer and 2nd house Virgo. So business, trade and career will flourish. There will be expenditure and travels over joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Fund flow will be flawless. You will be economically elevated. Chances for marriages are seen. 6th and 7th house Lord Saturn in Capricorn aspects over 8th house Pisces, 12th house Cancer and 3rd house Libra. Avoid controversies and court cases. Cannot avoid travels and expenses. Chances for delay in success of your efforts are seen. Both husband and wife should take care of their health. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. Month begins with 12th house Moon in the 11th house Gemini. Worship of Lord Shiva and Perumal is favorable this month. Moon moves to 8th house on September 21st, 22nd and 23rd. Dear Virgo sign, Virgo ascendants, Uttaram 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Hastam, Chitrai 1st, 2nd Padam star viewers. Your sign and 10th house Lord Mercury exalted in his Mula Trikon sign, Virgo, till September 22nd. After that, Mercury moves to Libra. This month is very much favorable for Virgo. As he is the 10th house Lord, business, trade and career will flourish. Your hard work and skills will be recognized and prized in the workplace. 12th house Lord Sun in the 12th house Leo in the first half of the month and moves to your sign Virgo in the second half of the month. You cannot avoid travels and expenditure in the first half of the month. But in the second half, Sun is aspected over by Jupiter. Politicians will flourish. Chances for getting government job is seen bright. 2nd and 9th house Lord Venus in your 2nd house Libra in a ruling status from September 5th. You will be elevated economically. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances for higher education is seen in the desired college and the subject you wish. Chances for abroad education is seen as Dragon Ragu is in the 9th house Taurus. 3rd and 8th house Lord Mars in your sign Virgo from September 5th. It is not a favorable placement, but from September 14th, Jupiter aspects over Mars. So all your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to face anything. Younger siblings may not cooperate. Be away from controversies and court cases. Mars Sun conjunction and Dragon Ketu in 3rd house Scorpio may hinder your health with heat disease in the birth spot and anus. To overcome confusions and complaints created by Dragon Ragu and Ketu, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. 4th and 7th house Lord Jupiter will be in the 6th house Aquarius under retrogression and move to 5th house Capricorn from September 14. Problems so far faced by children will come to an end. You may feel happy. Jupiter aspects over 9th house Taurus, 11th house Cancer and your sign Virgo. Aspect of Jupiter is very much favorable to Virgo. Chances of getting paternal property is seen. Elder siblings will cooperate. Education and your skills will flourish because of the aspect of Jupiter on Sun, Mars and Mercury in your sign Virgo. Chances for sudden fund flow is seen. You will be gifted with the blessings of family deity as Jupiter is in the 5th house. 5th and 6th house Lord Saturn in the 5th house Capricorn along with Jupiter. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. Old debts will be cleared. Saturn aspects over 7th house Pisces, 11th house Cancer and 2nd house Libra. Avoid third party interference in spouse relations to maintain harmony in spouse relationship. To avoid confusions, spouse should converse transparently. There may be delays in fulfilling your long-lasting desires. Percentage of profit cannot be achieved. Month begins with 11th house Lord Moon in the 10th house Gemini. Worship of Vinayagar and Perumal will be beneficial. Moon moves to 8th house on September 23rd, 24th and 25th. Dear Libra sign, Libra ascendants, Chitrai 3rd, 4th Padam, Swati, Visakam 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam, constellation viewers. Your sign and 8th house Lord Venus in your sign itself in a ruling status from September 5th. You will be gifted in all aspects as your sign Lord is in your sign itself. He will look after all the ills and bells. Your skills will progress. Be away from controversies and court cases as he is also your 8th house Lord. Problems will knock your door, but there is chances for sudden fund flow. You may have some researching thought in all walks of life. Women will progress in the house and office. Almost a favorable month for artists. 9th and 12th house Lord Mercury in Mulatrikonam sign in an exalted status in Virgo will make your higher education flourish as Mercury aspected over by Jupiter in the 12th house. Chances for celebrations and joyful occasions in the family with expenses and tiresome travels are seen. You may get the help and support from your father and there may be medical expenses. 11th house Lord Sun in 11th house Leo in the first half of the month will fulfill all your long-lasting desires. Chances for unexpected percentage of profit is seen. But in the second half of the month, there will be unnecessary expenses and tiresome travels. First half of the month is favorable for politicians than the second half of the month. 2nd and 7th house Lord Mars in the 12th house Virgo may hinder your sleep comfort. To maintain harmony in the family, avoid heated arguments. Try to be soft in your occasion because Mars is with Sun. But aspect of Jupiter over Virgo and Sun, Mercury, Mars may help you in maintaining harmony. 3rd and 6th house Lord Jupiter in 5th house Aquarius till September 13th. And on September 13th, retrogression ends and transits to Capricorn. So all your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to face anything. You have to go in for loans as the 6th house Lord Jupiter is in the 4th house for purchase of house, land and vehicles. Jupiter aspects over 8th house Taurus, 10th house Cancer, 12th house Virgo. Chances for sudden income through insurance gratuity is seen. Business, trade and career will flourish. Your hard work and skills will be recognized and appreciated in the workplace. There will be expenses and tiresome travels. 8th house Taurus Dragon Ragu will get you help from other languages and other religion people to overcome the confusions and problems created by second house dragon Ketu in Scorpio. Involve yourself religiously, spiritually, along with yoga and meditation. Fourth and fifth house Lord Saturn in fourth house Capricorn will make you spend more on children's education and marriages. There will be some shortcoming, though you will be happy. Saturn aspects over sixth house Pisces, 10th house Cancer, and your sign Libra. So don't stand as surety for financial transaction. Avoid lending and borrowing money. If you feel some ailment, take immediate medical treatment. You have to work hard in business, trade, and career. Month begins with 10th house Moon in 9th house. Worship of Lord Narsimha and Goddess Pratyangira will be good. Moon moves to 8th house on 26th, 27th, and 28th of September. Dear Scorpio sign, Scorpio ascendant, Visagam 4th Padam, Anusham Kete constellation viewer. Your sign lord and 6th house lord, Mars in Virgo, which is not a favorable house, but getting the aspect of Jupiter after September 14th is a plus point. So all your works will be successful. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled and you can get unexpected profits. Elder siblings will cooperate. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. Chances for clearing the old debts are seen. Second and fifth house Lord Jupiter will be in Aquarius, fourth house till September 14th, and on that day moves to Capricorn, your third house, after ending retrogression. Third house Jupiter may give you change of place, change of job. Your enemies will run away seeing you. Success on your effort may be delayed. Be careful with your children. There may be hindrance in your happiness. Fund flow will be sufficient to meet both the ends. There may be disturbance in the family due to lack of understanding. Jupiter aspects over 7th house Taurus, 9th house Cancer, 11th house Virgo. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. You may get the help and support from your father. Higher education will be bright. So your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled and you may get unexpected profits also. Aspects of Jupiter falls on Sun, Mercury, Mars, by which 10th and 11th house and your sign got strengthened. So business, trade and career, profits and mental strength will be good. Third and fourth house Lord Saturn in third house Capricorn will make you spend more on house, land, vehicles. Chances of selling old vehicles and purchasing new vehicles are seen. Do take care of your mother's health. Saturn aspects over 5th house Pisces, 9th house Cancer, 12th house Libra. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. Chances for disturbance in your sleep comforts is seen. Keep an eye on the friends circle of your children. Take care of your father's health. All your efforts will be successful after hard work. Enemies will run away seeing you. 7th and 12th house Lord Venus in the 12th house Libra, getting the aspect of Saturn. Avoid third-party interference to maintain harmony in spouse relationship. Be careful with friends and partners, though they cooperate. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenditure. 8th and 11th house Lord Mercury in the 11th house, in an exalted status in his Mulatrikon sign, Virgo, duly aspected over by Jupiter. Your mind will involve in researching ideas. Higher education will flourish. Chances for sudden fund flow is seen. You can get unexpected profits. 10th house Lord in the 10th house Leo, Sun in the first half of the month and moves to the 11th house Virgo in the second half of the month, getting the aspect of Jupiter. So whole month is favorable for politicians because of the placement of Sun. They will be respected and honored. Chances for marriages are seen. Those who are waiting for government job may get the chance. Government contracts will be successful. 7th house Dragon Ragu may hinder spouse health. You may be service minded. To overcome confusions and problems created by Dragon Ketu in your sign, Scorpio, involve yourself religiously, spiritually, along with yoga and meditation. Worship of Lord Vinayaga and Murugan will be favorable this month. Month begins with 9th house Lord Moon in the 8th house. Moon moves to 8th house on September 1st, 2nd, 29th and 30th. Dear Sagittarius sign, Sagittarius ascendants, Moolam, Puradam, Uttradam, Faspadam constellation viewers. Your sign and 4th house Lord Jupiter in 3rd house Aquarius till September 13th and after that moves to Capricorn, duly ending the retrogression. You will be economically elevated. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. You will be comfortable with luxuries and comfort. Chances for easy loans from bank is seen for purchase of house, land and vehicles. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Jupiter aspects over 6th house Taurus, 8th house Cancer, 10th house Virgo in the second half of the month. Chances for clearing old debts are seen. Ailments so far suffered will come to an end. Avoid court cases and controversy. Cases pending so far will be finalized in your favor. Business, trade and career will flourish. Your working skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated. Second and third house Lord Saturn in the second house Capricorn. There is 1.5 years for 7.5 Saturn to end. Your problems will come to a close. You may have clear-cut ideas to deal with the problems. There may be bumps in fund flow. Avoid third-party interference to maintain harmony in the family. Saturn aspects over 4th house Pisces, 8th house Cancer and 11th house Libra. Take due legal advice before going in for purchase of house, land and vehicles to avoid litigation. Be away from court cases and controversies. There may be hurdles in fulfilling your long-lasting desires. There may be delays in getting the percentage of profits also. 5th and 12th house Lord Mars in 10th house Virgo, along with Mercury and Sun duly aspected over by Jupiter. Children will flourish in their education and you may feel proud about them. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and expenses. This month is favorable for politicians. 6th and 11th house Lord Venus will be in the 11th house Libra from September 5th and may increase your profits. There may be hurdles and delays. Women will have a mixture of good and bad this month. Artists may also have ups and downs. 7th and 10th house Lord Mercury in Moola Trikon sign Virgo in an exalted status make your education bright. You will be comfortable in love affairs. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Chances for birth of babies are seen because of the aspect of Jupiter. Business, trade and career will flourish. 9th house Lord Sun in the 9th house Leo in the first half of the month and in the 10th house Virgo in the second half of the month duly aspected over by Jupiter. Your managerial capacity will be appreciated. Chances for government job is seen bright. Politicians will flourish. You will be benefited by abroad and other language, other religion people. Because of 6th house, Dragon Ragu in Taurus. Worship of Vinayagar will be beneficial as Dragon Ketu is in the 12th house Scorpio. To overcome the confusions and problems created by Dragon Ketu, involve yourself religiously and spiritually along with yoga and meditation. Chances for ENT related problems are seen this month. Month begins with 8th house Lord Moon in the 7th house Gemini. Worship of Vinayagar and Murugan will be beneficial. Moon moves to 8th house on 3rd, 4th and 5th of September. Dear Capricorn sign, Capricorn ascendants, Uttradam 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Tiruvonam, Avittam 1st, 2nd Padam. Constellation viewers, your sign lord and second house lord Saturn is in your sign itself as 7.5 Saturn. So, fund flow will be with bumps. Do take care of your health. Maintain peace in the family to avoid confusions and controversies. Think twice before you speak out. Saturn aspects over 3rd house Pisces, 7th house Cancer, 10th house Libra. Success on your efforts will be delayed. Younger siblings may not cooperate. House relationship will be harmonious with flexibility and give and take policy. Avoid third party interference in spouse relationship. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. You have to work very hard in the workplace, business and trade. There will be a dull situation in business, trade and career. 3rd and 12th house Lord Jupiter in the 2nd house Aquarius till September 13th. And on September 14th, Jupiter retrogression ends and transits to Capricorn. You will be courageous to face anything. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses due to joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Jupiter aspects over 5th house Taurus, 7th house Cancer, 9th house Virgo. Children will be bright in education and other activities and you may feel proud about them. You may feel very happy. It is seen that spouse relationship will be harmonious with flexibility. Be careful with friends and business partners. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances of getting the paternal property are seen bright. 4th and 11th house Lord Mars in 9th house Virgo duly aspected over by Jupiter. So there is no hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. You may go in for the purchase of house, land and vehicles, duly getting the loan from banks. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. elder siblings will cooperate. You can get unexpected percentage of profit also. Then 10th house Lord, Venus in the 10th house, Libra in a ruling status from September 5th. Children will flourish in all walks of life. Business, trade and career will flourish. You have to work very hard as your 10th house Libra is getting the aspect of Saturn. Women will flourish both in the office and also at home. This month is almost good for artists. 6th and 9th house Lord, Mercury in the Mula Trikon sign Virgo, your 9th house, in an exalted status, duly getting the aspect of Jupiter. So chances for higher education is bright. Chances of getting seats in the desired college and the subject you wish is seen bright. Ailments so far suffered health-wise will come to an end. Chances of clearing old debts are seen. 8th house Lord, Sun in the 8th house, Leo in the first half of the month, and moves to Virgo, your 9th house, in the second half of the month. In the second half of the month, Sun with Mars and Mercury getting the aspect of Jupiter. Second half of the month will be favorable for politicians than the first half of the month. Chances of getting the responsibilities and posts in the party is seen. Those who are expecting for the government job may get the same. Dragon Ragu in Taurus, your 5th house, will make you happy. Chances for arranging marriages are seen bright. Those who are expecting babies may get the chance of childbirth. 11th house, Dragon Ketu in Scorpio will be profitable for Capricorn. To overcome the confusions and problems created by your sign Saturn, Dragon Ragu and Dragon Ketu, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. Worship of Lord Vinayaga, Anjaneya and Perumal will be favorable this month. Month begins with 7th house Moon in 6th house Gemini. Moon moves to 8th house on September 6th, 7th and 8th morning. Dear Aquarius sign, Aquarius ascendant, Avitam 3rd and 4th Padam, Sadayam, Puratadi 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam. Constellation viewers, your sign Lord and 12th house Lord Saturn is placed in Capricorn, your 12th house. So there will be tiresome travels and unnecessary expenditure because of 7 of Saturn. Saturn aspects over 2nd house Pisces, 6th house Cancer and 9th house Libra. So to maintain harmony in the family, be flexible and avoid third party interference in the family matters. Be polite and act in such a way that your words and activities will not affect others. Fund flow will be flawless, but sometimes there may be bumps in fund flow. You may have a feeling that this is our economical status, we won't get elevated. Everything will change with the time. 2nd and 11th house Lord Jupiter will be in your sign Aquarius till September 13th and moves to Capricorn, your 12th house, duly ending the retrogression. Whatever you earn, you will spend. Instead of spending your earnings unnecessarily, it is better to invest in jewelries, house, land and properties and insurance on your children. Jupiter aspects over 4th house Taurus, 6th house Cancer and 8th house Virgo. Chances for purchase of house, land and other properties is seen. Duly getting easy bank loans. Do take care of parental health with due medical advice. Chances for clearing old debts are seen. Ailments so far suffered in your health will come to an end. Away yourself from court cases and controversies. Court cases so far pending will come to an end. 3rd and 10th house Lord Mars in 8th house Virgo from September 5th. Younger siblings may not cooperate. There may be delays in the success of your efforts. There may be some problems in your business, trade and career. You have to work very hard in your career, but you won't get recognition and appreciation for your hard work. Everything will change in a short span of time. 4th and 9th house Lord Venus ruling in Libra, your 9th house from September 5th onwards. Only strength of Aquarius sign is Venus. So you can face all the problems and solve all the problems. To maintain harmony and intimacy in spouse relationship, be flexible and adopt give and take policy. You may get the help and support of your father. 5th and 8th house Lord Mercury in an exalted status in his Mula Trikon sign Virgo. Children will flourish in education and you may feel proud about them. Chances for abroad studies are also seen bright. You may get sudden and unexpected source of income because Mercury is aspected over by Jupiter. 7th house Lord Sun in 7th house Leo in the first half of the month, and in the second half he moves to 8th house Virgo. There may be difference of opinion between the spouses as the 7th house Lord Sun is in the 8th house, but there won't be any problem as he gets the aspect of Jupiter. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. Avoid heated argument with anyone as Mars and Sun is united in the 8th house Virgo. Chances for heat disease is also seen. First half of the month is favorable than the second half for politicians, and they cannot avoid problems in the second half of the month. So for Aquarians, except Venus, all the planets are not favorable this month. So women will progress in the house and office. Artists will also flourish this month. Worship of Lord Mahadeva Anjaneya with Kalabhairavar will be favorable for Aquarian. Month begins with 6th house Lord Moon in 5th house Gemini. Moon moves to 8th house on September 8th evening 9th and 10th. On dear Pisces sign, Pisces ascendant, Purattadi 4th Padam, Uttarattadi, Revati constellation viewers. Your sign and 10th house Lord Jupiter in 12th house Aquarius retrograded till September 13th and transits to Capricorn, your 11th house, from September 14th. There will be an end to tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses in this month. You may get reasonable profits in business, trade and career. Your skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated. Jupiter aspects over 3rd house Taurus, 5th house Cancer, 7th house Virgo. So Jupiter aspects over 5th and 7th Konas, because of which all your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to meet everything. Children will flourish in education and other activities. You may feel proud about them. You will be happy with whatever you get. You will get the total blessing of the family deity. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Marriages can be arranged this month. Chances for childbirth is also seen. 11th and 12th house Lord Saturn in 11th house Capricorn along with Jupiter in second half of the month. Considerable profits are seen. Business travels will be helpful and beneficial. Saturn aspects over your sign Pisces, 5th house Cancer and 8th house Libra. For Pisces, only one minus point is the aspect of Saturn. Please be careful in all your activities as your sign is aspected over by Saturn. Though children are good at studies, have an eye on their friend circle and activities as Saturn aspects over the 5th house Cancer. Be cautious in financial dealings. Don't stand as surety for anyone. 2nd and 9th house Lord Mars in 7th house Pisces from September 5th, duly aspected over by Jupiter. Economically, you will be elevated. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. Avoid heated arguments. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances of getting paternal property is seen. 3rd and 8th house Lord Venus in the 8th house Libra in a ruling status aspected over by Saturn. 8th house means in-laws of the family. So you may get riches from in-law side. Spouse relationship will be intimate. Younger siblings will cooperate. 4th and 7th house Lord Mercury in Moola Trikona sign Virgo in an exalted status will make education bright. There is no hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicle are seen. Spousal relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. 6th house Lord Sun in 6th house Leo in the first half of the month and in the second half of the month transits to Virgo, duly getting Jupiter's aspect. Politicians will flourish and they will be honored and respected everywhere. Chances for heat diseases in the birth spot are seen as Sun and Mars combination and Venus in 8th house. There won't be any problem or hindrance by 3rd house Taurus Dragon Ragu and 9th house Scorpio Dragon Ketu. To overcome confusions and problems if ever created by the dragons, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. Worship of Lord Dakshinamurti and Tiruchendur Murugan will be beneficial. Month begins with 5th house Lord Moon in 4th house Gemini. Moon moves to 8th house on September 10th evening, 11th and 12th. On these days, be careful. Avoid travels, new ventures and controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. Nature and behavior of planets were explained generally based on Tirkanitham Panchangam. Based on your birth chart, present dasa and bhukti, predictions may vary. Check for both ascendants and zodiac sign. If your ascendant and zodiac sign are one and the same, you follow the prediction for both. If they are different, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Moon sign is going to affect the perspective of your psychology, and ascendant is the perception of reality through your consciousness. Planetary transits in September 2021 are September 5th, Venus transits to Libra. September 5th, Mars transits to Virgo. September 14th, Jupiter retrogression ends and transits to Capricorn. September 16th, Sun transits to Virgo. September 22nd, Mercury transits to Libra. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.